plan today?
Kind of attack. So we're heading to Ross's for a board meet, and Owen's joining as well. And then we're gonna crack the loop. The loop is a 3K run, essentially, that we use as a time trial to see who's the fastest in the Unthink team. And Owen's not done it before, so that's the only disadvantage to Owen, because he's going to be like a young little whippet. He's 16 years younger than me, so but yeah, hoping to get on the podium today. Ross has a few complaints, niggling knee, niggling shoulder, so
Below the line today.
below the line today, so I don't know if I can take him, but I will do my utmost. Back to fitness testing days, it really is.
Yeah, it does feel like it.
The anxiety before.
How do you fare when you're doing fitness testing, Seth?
Really well, actually, really well.
Yeah?
Because I know I put the hard work in, you know.
Yeah.
But today, that unknown second leg on the hill is causing me some anxiety.
CEO's not doing it today. Oh,
I'm the pacemaker on the bike.
pacemaker on the bike.
So I hear you had a choice of shoes for today.
Yeah, choice to choose. I've gone for the newer ones, although maybe a bit soft for short stuff. You know, maybe a little harder spine would be
running.
quite nice, but they look sick, and that is the main thing when you're running, isn't it?
So you win the style,
Yeah.
the B
How
B
many-
score.
How many points for style?
Yeah, I'll keep an eye on you guys. I'll see. There he is.
Your chariot awaits outside.
Perfect.
Saying that.
Look at that. It's a cold start. Hell of a start now, guys. Christ, you're off.
Sarah just said she's still in a warm-up phase, playing mind games already.
Ross has got a bad knee though, so that's why.
He's younger than me. I've had him at 16. Running with my son.
Any more excuses?
Family run.
I don't want to come in angry now.
This is end of leg one. Right. You alright?
No idea.
Last time you ran like 2 hours.
Yeah, 23k jog. Doesn't lend itself well for a 3k time trial. Going the right way?
Yeah, you're there. Over there. 200 meters. Christ, that's a hell of a time. You did it?
Yeah, not bad. Appreciated the decline coming into the
Downhill.
finish. But yeah, good.
Yeah.
11:39.
I'll find the others.
Yeah, it won't be far behind.
No, I hope not. But I really had to catch you after the hill because under there. It's a new record, guys.
Oh, jeez.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
That's it.
Oh.
Unbelievable, guys.
Okay. Oh no. Dominance. Quit the whole way.
I went too hard, too late.
Too hard, too late. Well done.
What was that?
12.5.
Yeah.
Nice. No, well done cycling all the way, Owen.
Quick 30 minute zone 2 recovery.
I know. I had to put like phones in like both hands on the bike because I couldn't get him. That's why I miss his final quick gym session now, guys.
How'd you get in the gym?
Right
here. Let's have a peek.
Owen didn't even sweat.
Conditioning and beach weights. Nice.
So come around the back.
Yeah, loads. That's all you need, really, isn't it?
That's got everything.
That first kilometre was 4.47. The second kilometre up the hill, 20 seconds quicker than the downhill one, yeah.
It's a home stretch.
No, it wasn't. The hill.
Oh, that hill.
Yeah, I thought, yeah.
I did the hill quicker than I did this one.
Yeah.
I think I was starting to get into my groove again.
Oh, I was ready.
Oh, Chef Ross.
What have you got there, Ross?
Portuguese custard tarts.
Wow. Yeah.
My favourite.
What's the content for?
Have you not been on YouTube?
I didn't know any YouTube. Owen just
I just, just annoy Ross.
Videos up
Nobody does it.
here.
Wow.
Our event in London. Once you press play, you've got to watch it later.
What's the timings on this, Chef?
Pause it.
got
Get
about
your cup of
45
tea
seconds left.
and watch the 8-10 minutes. Do not pause at some point. Okay? You need to invest in our business here, you know? Like,
Yeah, we need the views. Send it around your group chats, please.
you're on YouTube now. Amazing. The breakthrough.
That's Wallace.
Oh goodness. I actually feel a bit warmer
No?
after this. I felt cooler in this.
same with
No?
So, yeah.
Hands are like this, so
That's
Okay.
like that, and he has to have operations all the time because the ligaments get tight.
that's probably what's happened.
What do you do with that?
What are we going for? Medium well?
He needs to grasp
Yeah,
it.
a little overcooked this one.
You're gonna have to go through
Nice.
that again.
Oh, Wallace. Right. Chef.
Right, chef, we're making a carbonara this morning. So we've got some fresh pasta, button mushrooms, which we'll slice up and fry with the bacon. We'll fry that with some rosemary and some garlic, get that going. Then we'll add the pasta, cook a little bit of water, all cook in one pan, real easy. We'll finish with a bit of parmesan, but also, look at this, from Venice. Owen brought this, a little bit of black pepper and truffle and cheese, lovely. And then we'll sprinkle over some parsley. That's it, dead simple, one pan, one done, 5 minutes.
Sounds good.
No, the truffle goes in towards the end. But your bacon, your mushrooms, kicking off with a bit of rosemary and garlic.
Smelling
Bit of black
wonderful.
pepper, of
Ross
course.
Ramsey.
Plenty of seasoning for the CEO.
And that's also like uncertainty, right? And beauty, I feel like, is more like there's different options. Yeah. Like, you know, there's not uncertainty, like anything that I think it's more like doing this or this.
That's when you really jump in.
Actually, the refreshers taste very different to the ice cream ones. Do you know what I mean?
Then we're like more sorbet. I have to show you the video of how they make mochi in Japan.
Oh yeah, that's funny. Yeah.
They're like,
What do you think
it's
of
a proper
frozen
workout.
dates?
Frozen date's good.
This is how Ross and Owen made the mochi.
Aggressive way to make a pudding, isn't it?
Good vocals as well.